Trinity Guardion's Soteria Infant Microbiological Mattress Barrier for all warmers and incubators, quickly and easily installed over the mattress and under the sheet, as seen here for a GE Giraffe Omnicare incubator, protects mattresses from patient contaminants, fluids, flora, and provides a cleaner, safer surface than current processes. Using a dual-authenticated secure login to access our ecosystem, a data-driven smart supply chain and compliance management system, administrators have access to real-time inventory management. When a clean bed barrier is removed from the supplied storage bin for application, the embedded RFID chip is automatically scanned, updating the ecosystem dashboard in real time. And again, when a soiled barrier is removed, put into the provided soil barrier bag and placed in the provided receptacle to be laundered and light table inspected by Trinity Guardion. And when inventory reaches certain thresholds, an automated email notification is sent to stakeholders, updating them on the day's barrier movement. Save time, energy, and your patient's health with Soteria Infant Microbiological Mattress Barriers in the ecosystem from Trinity Guardion.